Before buying a belt sander for knife making, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Often overlooked, the quality of the belt and its speed can drastically impact your results, but real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Bucktool Combo Sander. Let's kick things off with the Bucktool Combo 2x42 belt sander and 6 bench grinder. Priced at around $201.50, this machine caught my eye with its heavy-duty construction and versatility. If you want a sturdy, multifunctional sander that handles everything from sharpening to general sanding, this is worth a serious look. This combo machine features a 3.5 amp induction motor, delivering a no-load wheel speed of 3450 RPM and a belt speed of 4480 FPM. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The high efficiency means you can work on tougher materials without burning out the motor. Plus, the belt tilts from 0 to 90 degrees, making it adaptable for various projects. Having 2 work tables adds convenience, especially when you're switching between metal and wood. Now, some people complained about the noise level. Here's the thing though, while it's not the quietest machine out there, the performance you get is well worth it, especially if you're serious about knife making. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, all-in-one machine for your workshop. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-compact, but for the price, it delivers great value. Now, if the weight of the Bucktool bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Bliss-Thrill Mini Belt Sander. Next up is the Bliss-Thrill Mini Belt Sander, an electric small sander priced at just $39.99. Its compact size and adjustable speed really caught my attention. If you want a budget-friendly, versatile tool for knife making, this is worth a serious look. This little machine packs a punch with a robust 7 amp motor that can reach speeds from 4,000 to 9,000 RPM. Why is this crucial? Because the adjustable speeds let you tackle both rough grinding and fine polishing, making it easier to achieve that perfect blade finish. Additionally, it comes with 30 sanding belts, which means you won't run out of options anytime soon. The low noise and minimal vibration are a relief, especially during long projects. However, some users mentioned it might struggle with larger tasks. I'll be real with you, it's designed for smaller, detailed work. If you're primarily doing intricate knife making, it's a fantastic choice, but if you need something for heavy-duty sanding, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you're short on space and need a reliable tool for small projects. Skip this if you're looking for a full-fledged heavy-duty sander, but for the price, you really can't beat it. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a balanced approach. Product number 3, Wen Benchtop Sander. Now let's talk about the Wen Benchtop Belt and Disc Sander, retailing for around $90.55. This one stood out because of its 2-in-1 functionality. If you want a versatile tool that can handle both sanding and shaping, this is worth a serious look. Featuring a 2.3 amp motor, this machine can run the belt at up to 3160 FPM and the disc at 3450 RPM. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The combination of belt and disc means you can switch tasks without needing multiple tools. It also has a sturdy base to prevent wobbling, which is crucial for maintaining precision in knife making. Plus, with 2 separate dust ports, cleanup is a breeze. However, I found that the dust collection could be a bit lacking for some users. Here's the thing though, if you're dedicated to keeping your workspace tidy, you can always attach a shop vacuum for better results. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile tool that doesn't take up much space. Skip this if you need a machine dedicated solely to heavy sanding, but for the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if the 2-in-1 feature of the Wen isn't what you're after, let's take a look at something smaller. Product number 4, SI Fang Mini Electric Sander. Next on our list is the SI Fang Mini Electric Belt Sander, priced at $45.99. This compact sander is a game changer for those seeking portability. If you want a powerful tool that you can easily move around, this is worth a serious look. With a 4.5 amp motor and a speed range of 4,000 to 9,000 RPM, this mini sander is designed for versatility. Why is this important? It allows you to switch between grinding and polishing effortlessly, which is essential for achieving a professional finish on your knives. It also comes with a variety of sanding belts, giving you flexibility in your projects. But some users have reported that the size can be limiting for larger tasks. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily focused on smaller knife-making projects, this little beast will serve you well. This is perfect for you if you want a compact tool that's easy to use and store. Skip this if you need something for larger, more industrial tasks, but for the price, it's an excellent value. Now, if you need a bit more power, let's check out the final product on our list. Product number 5, VEVOR Belt Grinder. Finally, we have the VEVOR Belt Grinder Sander priced at $209.90. This one caught my attention because of its variable speed options. If you want a powerful machine that adapts to your needs, this is worth a serious look. Equipped with a 550W copper motor, it operates at 5,500 RPM, which means you get great grinding power without overheating. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The variable speed control allows you to adjust for different materials and tasks, whether you're polishing or deburring. It also has 2 grinding modes, making it a versatile addition to your workshop. However, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, if you have a dedicated workspace, this sander offers amazing performance that justifies the space it takes up. This is perfect for you if you want a high-performance machine for serious projects. Skip this if you need something compact, but for the quality, it's well worth the investment. So there you have it. We've covered the Bucktool combo for versatility, the Blitzthrill Mini for budget-conscious makers, the Wen for dual functionality, the SI Fang for portability, and the VEVOR for power. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that best fits your needs.